Hey, it's your boy the King Darius. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and if you found something interesting in it, share it with your loved ones.
If you are asked what is money, I don't know how you will define it because I think everybody has his own definition about money. Because according to me naona pesa is like a unique thing. There are some people who says that having a lot of money is a problem. Others say that not having money is a problem, but it just depends on how you see money. There are different things or activities binadamu wanafanya kutafuta pesa. Pesa inatafutwa kwa njia mingi. Kuna watu wanafanya biashara, kuna watu wanafanya kazi ndio wapate pesa. Kuna watu wana earn pesa through their talent like we have musicians, footballers, artists and all that. So, and I think our life, in all our life, it all rotates on money. On a daily to daily basis, our life rotates on money. Kama una pesa, hauwezi ukanunua chakula. Kama una pesa, hauwezi ukaishi maisha mazuri. Kama una pesa, kuna vitu ambayo huwezi ukapata ama ukafanya. Lakini kuwa na pesa inakuwa rahisi kwa sababu pesa is the thing that buys what you want to get. You see, kama unataka kwa mfano, kama unataka you want to live a good life, lazima utatafuta pesa ndio uishi maisha mzuri. So mi naonanga pesa ni kama pesa is the key. Can I say money is the key to success? Because you cannot be successful according to dunia sasa. You cannot be successful and you don't have money. So if you have money, people watu wanakuchukulia kama your success. There's this one mentality inakuanga, I don't know kama inakuanga Kenya ama Africa, that in order to become a billionaire or to become a wealthiest person, you must do the illegal business, the dirty businesses. So uh, that's quite a different thing and I have a different opinion about that because huwezi ukaniambia, that's just like saying that all millionaires or all billionaires or all those wealthiest people, those rich people, these people have been doing dirty things so that they become rich. Yes, of course, kuna watu pia wanafanya those dirty business to become rich. Let's take an example in our country, Kenya. Sisi wenyewe tunajuanga like these politicians, these tycoons and these cartels, these are the people who are doing dirty deeds. These are fraudsters. They do drug trafficking in order to get or attain wealthy. So this thing actually has influence in people's mind. Sasa watu wameanza kudhania it's a must to do a dirty business ndio kuwe tajiri ama ndio kuwe the wealthiest person. Hiyo kitu imeanza kuingia watu and the moment hiyo kitu inakuingia kwa mind, huwezi fikiria kwamba unaweza pata pesa ama unaweza kuwa tajiri when you are just on working hard ama just focusing on other things. So watu wanaanza kufikiria jinsi wanaweza pata hiyo pesa on doing dirty things. That's why you see the world right now is evil. Watu wanauawa. A lot of things is happening actually because of money. And I think people have a different perspective about money.